In this guide, I'll show you how to upload and share files on Google Drive. So, the first thing you want to do is go to Google on your web browser, and then you want to select Sign in the top right corner. And once you're signed into your Google account, come back to Google, and then you want to select these circle icons in the top right, which is Google Apps. And from here, you want to scroll down and select Drive. Now, this will bring you to the Google Drive. As you can see, I already have a movie file in here. And what you want to do is have a look on the left sidebar and you want to click on New. From here, you have the ability to create a new folder. You can upload individual files, whether it's a photo or a video or more, as well as you can upload folders full of files if you'd like. So in this example, I'm going to upload a single file, but feel free to select the one you want to do. So now you want to search for the file that you want to upload. In this example, I'm going to be uploading this image, and I'm going to press open at the bottom. Then you should see in the bottom right corner that your file is beginning to upload, and once it's finished, you'll get this green check mark. And now if you refresh the page on Google Drive, you should see this file appear here. If not, have a look on the left sidebar and click on My Drive, and it should appear in here as well. So we're going to go back to home, and then if you have a look to the left of your file, you'll notice these three dots. Here you have the ability to rename the file, download it. You can also share it, so let's go to here. Now you do have the option of copying the link, or you can go to share. And this is where you have the ability to add people that you want to share this file with. And as far as general access goes, it'll by default be unrestricted, meaning only people with access can open this link, but you can also make it to anyone with this link. So if you send this to someone and they send it to someone else, they'll be able to access it as well. You can also adjust whether they're a viewer, meaning they can only look at it. They can be a commenter, so they can state something about it beside it. Or they can also edit the file, depending on which one you select for the role. Now you also have the copy link option here at the bottom, or you can press done. Now you're also able to share your files with your phone or any other device you sign into your Google account. So you can get the Google Drive app on the App Store for free. And the first time you open it up, you will have to sign into the same Google account. But here you can see the file that I uploaded on the computer. And if I go to the three dots, I can easily share it or download it here. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.